Welcome back, guys. Mel here from Mel's Motors. I'm in a Porsche Cayman GTS. It's coming for an unusual-ish fault. When you start it up, it misfires on one bank, one side of the engine. This car was in a couple of years ago with a very similar issue. We couldn't find any data to try and isolate this problem. The customer did a lot of research online, and we took a punt on changing this particular sensor. It cured the problem. With the lack of information there was available for this particular problem, I thought, well, I'll do a video of it because it might help other mechanics and other Porsche owners. So stick around and we'll have a look and see what's causing this issue. So I've got my diagnostic tool on there. Sorry about the glare on the screen, see if I can move around. Well, it's too much glare. Right, these are our fault codes. We've got misfire 1, 2 and 3, cylinders 1, 2, 3. Very unusual to have 3 cylinders pack up on one bank. Usually it'll be a coil, they're individual, so it'll be misfiring on 1, 2 or 3, not all 3. Injectors, obviously they're individual, so again it will be an individual misfire, and same again for the spark plugs. So to have these many misfires on one cylinder, on one bank, is quite unusual. Now, the last time I was here we had issues where 4, 5 and 6 had a misfire. Where I'm sitting in the car was the near side cylinder head. So now this is the offside cylinder head. So we're going to get the car up in the air and have a look at this issue. Okay, I don't know if you can hear that, but we got rumbling and grumbling and popping. Probably hear it more down the side here. You can definitely feel the misfire in the car. Okay, so just taking the wheel off to get into the engine. The engine sits in front of the gearbox. As you can see, there's this 3 grey coil packs there, pencil coils. Like I said, if there was a misfire, any one of those would be misfiring. So right in the centre of the right 2 coils, there's a solenoid in the centre. Now, from previous experience, is that solenoid is what failed on the opposite side of this bank. So I've got another one of those, so we're going to pull that out, put the new one in and see if this resolves the problem. So here's the part. It's a Porsche only part, no one else makes it. So this is what the part looks like. It's got protective plastic on the tip. So literally there's 2 screws out and in. Okay, it's been very difficult for me to try and video me unbolting it, because by the time my hands are in the way you're not going to see anything. Anyway, there's 2 screws in there, Torx head, looks like they're E10s, maybe even E8, and the plug there has got a little spring clip at the bottom, just push that and pull it off. Okay, you can just about see there, I've taken the plug off, undone the 2 bolts, so I need to just pull it out and then get the new one in. Okay, old one is out, new one is in, so just need to get the wheel back on, don't forget the torch, clear the fault codes and go for a road test. Okay, we're back in the car, same fault codes are there obviously, so we're going to clear that down. Okay, all gone. Time for a road test. Actually, we're going to start it up. Well, I've got this here. If you can hear that, no misfire. It definitely sounds different. Okay, gonna go for a road test. Back from the road test. Drives lovely, so let's have a quick look. No fault codes. Job done. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that short video. Don't just assume it's that valve that goes wrong. We have seen rats chewing through wiring and all sorts of issues can turn up. So do your homework, do your own due diligence before you start replacing stuff on a customer's car or even your car. I just thought this might be quite a helpful video. We've had this problem twice now, and like I said, we can't find anyone else who's done a video or any literature to resolve this problem. So hopefully this might help you. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, the subscribe button and the bell notification so you're notified next time I upload a video.